Well, we got the twist out of her. Now we gotta put the squeeze on her. Depending on where your high and low spots are, and the rotation here is where you what you have to do. We got the twist out. We got a high point here. Now our high point is there. And there it is, plus or minus 1/1000th. That's a bobble. My setup isn't the greatest, but it shows you you can do it for little to no money and save yourself a bunch of money on crank rebuilds. I got like $70 into this rebuild as opposed to I think 300 or 400.